Traders, I'm recording a video because I just took a high-low confirmation setup of the 2-leg pullback. Now we can see we have massive spike above EMA. If I'm going to zoom out, you can see we have a downtrend working lower, break, push to new extreme. I have one leg down, break, second leg down, so downtrend played out. We have a failed second entry short reversal pattern. I was on my break, but the failed second entry short reversed into a brand new uptrend. So this uptrend needs to get new high following the trend line rule. We have a new high where I'm going to reset the count. First entry long, it corrected, failed. Second entry long. I didn't really want to go long on the second entry long because it was an inside bar and it was just at the EMA, slightly below. So I wanted to see the high low of EMA. We broke higher. Now we have a high low confirmation setup. EMA keeps holding. It's a little bit stacked, a little bit aggressive because you can see a lot of bars stacking right next to each other. But it's such a small risk, small bar. We need to get new high. Great single bar, so the setup will either work or it won't, and I expect new high to be tested. Okay, so this trade is getting very stressful. They almost came back, stop us out. It's so stacked, it's taking so long, but I simply have to hold. Downtrend played out. EMA keeps holding. Now we can get almost failed second entry short. Thing is, even if I draw wider downtrend, it has overshoot. Uptrend is new high. So I'm going through my mind the entire analysis and I simply can't see the case for bears to go lower other than the congestion. So I'm just going to stick through this. And that's what trading is about. You analyze the chart, you find the context, find the key entry point, and the trade will either work or it won't. Okay, it's all about statistical edge. It's not really about being right or wrong. It's about statistical edge. And if I want to be profitable long term, I have to keep taking these setups. I just have to. We're about to make zero, but we need to tick through. Alright, and we got the scalp. 7 contracts for 2 points. So now I'm going to leave the runner because we expect new high. Now this is still congested, so we may pull back. But I'm just happy to get this one trade. I missed a good failed second entry short. But this is a decent setup. We need to get new high. And now we even have a failed second entry short. So you expect new high to be tested. By the way, I placed my stop loss 1 tick below the second entry long. It's simple. Because if I place it 1 tick below the high low, I'm at break-even point with this second entry long with the lowest point of the swing. So I'm okay risking 1 more tick just to make sure my stop is really 1 tick below the entire swing down. So once I can see only 1 tick difference, I'm not going to keep it below the high low, but I'm going to move it below the second entry long itself. And our runner just got hit.